Hello everyone, and welcome to this episode of Urban Backyard Container Garden. This is my raised bed that I had my purple hull peas in. I removed the previous ones and I'm amending the soil so I can try out a seed square template to plant more. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this in, and then I'll come back and start using the template. This is the seed square that template that I was speaking of earlier. I ordered it off of Amazon. I saw it being used on another video and thought it was a pretty cool idea. So this is the first time I'm using it today. So I'm going to plant as many seeds, purple hull seeds, as I can, and of which the template will allow. So here goes. Somehow the audio from this point forth did not record and the video sped up. Not sure what happened, but I apologize for it. I hope you enjoy.